Teach me how to create an effective landing page. Creating an effective landing page involves several key elements. Headline: the headline should be clear, attention-grabbing, and convey the main benefit of your product or service. Images: use high-quality images that are relevant to your product or service. These can include pictures of your product, screenshots of your website, or images that illustrate the benefits of your product or service. Copy: the copy should be clear, concise, and easy to read. Use bullet points and headings to break up large blocks of text and make it easy for visitors to scan the page. Call to action: include a clear and prominent call to action, such as buy now, sign up, or contact us. This should be above the fold and easy for visitors to find. Social proof: use customer testimonials, reviews, or trust badges to build credibility and trust with potential customers. Forms: keep forms short, only asking for the essential information, and make sure they are easy to use and mobile friendly. Optimization: optimize your landing page for search engines by including relevant keywords in the title, meta description, and throughout the content. A/B testing: test different versions of your landing page by running A/B tests to see which elements are most effective in driving conversions. Mobile friendly: make sure that your landing page is mobile friendly and easily navigable on smaller screens. Mobile friendly: make sure that your landing page is mobile friendly and